Why do we fear making wrong problem-solving decisions? Have you ever hesitated to choose something because you worried it might be the wrong move? That feeling is more common than you think, and it ties into how our minds handle problem-solving and decision-making. When faced with a problem, our brains are wired to weigh options carefully. But sometimes, that careful process turns into overthinking, and fear kicks in. This fear comes from how we process risk and uncertainty. Our brains naturally want to avoid negative outcomes that could cause us harm or regret. When a decision feels important or high stakes, our minds start imagining what could go wrong. This creates anxiety because we worry about the long-term effects on our lives, like losing a job or damaging a relationship. The more we think about the potential consequences, the more anxious we become. Emotional responses also play a big role. If someone tends to worry or overthink, they might picture worst-case scenarios repeatedly. This mental rehearsal makes decision-making seem overwhelming and can even cause us to freeze. It's not just about the choice itself but about the emotional discomfort that comes with the possibility of making a mistake. Another factor is the fear of regret. Our minds are capable of imagining many futures, including ones where we regret our decisions. This fear can make us indecisive, constantly delaying or avoiding choices to escape the pain of possible regret. Perfectionism and social pressures add to this fear. When we believe we must make the perfect choice or fear judgment from others, it increases the pressure. We might analyze endlessly or seek reassurance, which ironically makes us doubt more. From a cognitive point of view, problem-solving involves evaluating options and predicting outcomes. When we are overwhelmed by uncertainty or emotional stress, our mental resources become taxed. This makes decision-making more difficult and stressful. To manage this fear, it helps to remember that no decision is perfect. All choices carry some level of risk. Learning to accept that mistakes are part of growth can reduce the pressure. Breaking big decisions into smaller steps can make them less intimidating. Gathering information or advice can boost confidence, but overdoing it can lead to more doubt. Understanding why we fear making wrong problem-solving decisions helps us see that our minds are trying to protect us. They balance risk, emotion, and cognition, often leaning toward caution. Recognizing this can help us develop healthier habits, make more confident choices, and reduce stress in our daily lives.